Hey YouTube, it's Daniel back again. I just got done beating the prize cup for all these silver keys. So I'm about to do a crate opening. My last video tried to get a lot of cash to upgrade the car. That was really helpful, right? So let's do these rare imports. Open these two silver crates, boys, see what we get. First one out. Oh, boo. 1 star. I swear it is. Oh, Mini Cooper. Alright, next and last one, guys. Hopefully see what we get. Hopefully. Oh, I need a nicer car, guys. Let's go. Number 2. Another one. Wow, guys. This is the horrible silver crate opening. Another Mini Cooper, guys. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.